Hi there. I like using paper palettes for painting because they're quick and easy to clean up, they're disposable. Usually I buy a pad from the art supply store, and each paper palette pad has about 50 sheets. So the problem is that I live about an hour away from the nearest art supply store. So it's not convenient at all to run out of paper palette pads. I can't just run out and pick up a new pad. So I decided to figure out how to make my own paper palette pads. And the first thing I had to figure out is what kind of paper do they use to make paper palettes. Paper paint palettes are made from a plastic coated paper. The plastic coating creates a barrier that prevents the paper from absorbing your paint or the oil in your paint if you're oil painting. Paper palettes work great for oil painting or acrylic. And the second thing I had to figure out is, where can you buy plastic coated paper around here? And that's when I realized that freezer paper is plastic coated paper. And freezer paper is available at almost every grocery store. I live in the tiniest of towns, and even our small grocery store carries freezer paper. So instead of buying paper paint pads, I simply buy a roll of freezer paper and cut it to size. I like to cut several sheets, and I attach those to a clipboard, and I slip a rubber band around the bottom to hold them in place. And when I'm done painting, I just remove the top sheet, throw it away. It's very simple and easy and affordable. So the next time you run out of palette paper, just buy a roll of freezer paper, cut it to size, give it a try, and I hope that you find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel.